enter that as a note.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'll come back to you to value.
That was my only Zoom meeting for my only class of the day. And that's because the snow day is one because it's been snowing for like 5 days straight. But also, it's like 6 degrees outside. Severe weather. I'm going to see the lady today, and it's like the one day a week I actually go to see her. So I also had plans to close a $1,200 wedding video today, but snow already ruined those plans, so the flip always goes poorly. Verse of the day: do not boast about tomorrow, for you do not know what a day may bring. Let's hope we get to Gracie's today.
You got any plans? Just gonna chill.
19 minutes left. I was supposed to leave in 1 minute, but we're gonna wait it out. So far, not too cold, but I am like 35 minutes late already. Oh my. I also just realized I forgot my phone at home, but I did not want to miss another bus, so. Alright, bus one of the day, not there. Luckily that is where we're headed for the next bus stop. Walking up to it now, still no sign of the second bus. Actually, it's right there. I'm starting to read this book. Should be good. I don't know if you can see any of that, but it says 6 bus gets here at 1:50, and it's currently 1:21. So 29 minutes. We got this. There's also a security guard who got on the bus just now. I realized since I forgot my phone, I also forgot my debit card to either pay for a ticket and my student ID. That would have given me the right to be on the bus, so I'm glad I got off right then. Now I've got about 16 minutes to get to my next bus, which is like probably a 10-minute walk. I think we got it. 10 minutes. 10 minutes until the bus is here. What the heck is that? Never seen purple ice before. We made it to the bus stop. I just realized I forgot my ID at home. That's the way I get on this bus. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. I'm Grand Valley student, but I forgot my ID at home. Is that alright?
You just don't have your ID?
Yeah, I just don't have my ID. Thanks. Thank you. Have a good day.
Wait.
Alright, so I've made it to Gracie's college. Relative ease, 2 out of 3 buses caught, not bad. But I don't have a phone. I don't know where she's at. I gotta find her. Also, I was just thinking about it, and I can't even get into her dorm because boys aren't allowed in her dorm before 4 o'clock, and it's like 2:25. Might have to break into the dorm? I don't know. That back there is the normal entrance, but we're gonna go in the side entrance today and try to get up to her dorm.
Wow.
how career's working out, and
Is this about me?
not at Michigan, in Michigan, at Grand Valley State University.
No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Bro, you need a degree for that though. For 12-year-old boys?
Exciting. That's also about God.
It's kind of weird.
To go see. At the end of the day,
We're on a mission from God.
every day I'm pretty much either. How many views? 4? Under 4 or over 4?
Under 4.
A 3.
And I was one of them.
There's a lot of room to grow. That's what I wanted. A lot of room to grow.
A lot of room to grow. I don't even know how you grow on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Like, do you put hashtags or like?
I don't know either. You're just awesome.
You don't know?
Just have to be awesome. Then make good
Starting
stuff so
something
people.
new.
Starting something.
That's.
New.
I don't even know what that is. It's going in for sure. It's like the funniest person I know. Other than Jesus.
You're the funniest person I know. Other than Jesus. He's hilarious. And then watch planes.
I've really been messy in my life. So I'm gonna make vlogs.
We're gonna go get Panera.
Are you filming this? Oh yeah.
You get. And we're off to go look at planes.
Nathan's not even in the car right now. Everything's a lie. Everything in this vlog is a lie. It's so cold. It's like 3 degrees. Get inside. Look at they're looking at us. Quick, get them in the vlog. Quick. No, you missed it. What?
Were they looking at us?
They were. They're probably confused why someone was going out with a camera to get a video of me parking.
Because her parking skills are immaculate. You got it? The problem is the autofocus makes a crazy sound. So like, press it. It's like boop, 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 boop. Or zzz, 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 zzz. What do you want to talk about? While we wait for planes.
The Lions lost.
The Lions did lose. That was sad.
We have nothing to talk about. This is so weird. And I stayed awake for the whole game.
It was, well, close. It was close. She almost made it.
We're not fun. Oh, it's
Where
right
is it?
there.
A plane.
It's a plane.
It's a plane. I'm coming.
Quick, babe, it's actually right now. Okay, let's get in. That's enough.
Oh no, she's gonna eat the plane. Oh, she ate it. Was it delish?
Yeah.